Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oppo model and color OS version because menus vary. Once done, back up essential data so nothing is lost. Now unlock the phone and go straight to settings. You want home screen and lock screen or apps depending on color OS. This is where system-level wallpaper and ad behaviors live. Make sure you're signed into your Oppo or Google account so changes stick. Don't waste time. Open the relevant settings page and get ready to find the ad sources. You now identify which system component shows ads. Start in home screen and lock screen and toggle off any recommended content or similar switches. Next, go to Apps, enable Show System Apps, and inspect Theme, Magazine Unlock, or browser entries because these commonly push wallpapers. Once you find the culprit, disable its notifications, revoke special permissions, and force stop it. If toggles don't remove ads, uninstall updates or clear app data to revert to a non-ad state. This removes ad modules without full resets. You finish by rebooting your Oppo and checking the lock screen and home wallpaper for ads. Make sure your chosen wallpaper remains. If ads persist, reset app preferences in Settings Apps or clear data for the offending system app. Only use full factory reset as last resort. If you suspect account-linked content, sign out of your Oppo account or create a guest profile to test behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: disable auto updates for theme/browser apps and reinstall a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.